Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rome. I want to say real quick before we even get started, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe down at the bottom if you're new. Completely free. Completely free. So subscribe on the channel so we all can spread it out to the world. Make people know we're there, live and ready to go. The final game week of the first part of the season. Yeah. So this is the final game week for the first part of the season. The game is the last game week before the World Cup. And so before we get into World Cup mode, we could talk about the Premier League, the pack, six pack, the results today, and a little bit of preview of the game tomorrow. Where do we begin? By the first game, Manchester City and Brentford. Now I don't know if it's the elites of Manchester City that was a little bit held back because they have a World Cup coming up in 10 days. Or was it because Brentford didn't have anyone in the World Cup, so they just went all out to get the points? Or was it that Brentford just caught them on an off day? I don't know. What I do know is that Brentford walk upon them face today. 2 goals by Ivan Toney. It could have been 3, probably 4. Erling Haaland, dead in the waters there. Completely dead in the waters. I don't know if it was because the Brentford players were hurrying him every second, or he just didn't get any service. He's a tapping merchant, as you should know, but when Phil Foden and the other one from Belgium, can't remember his name, when him not pass the ball around corners to getting the goals, he can't score. He can't score. But all in all, Brentford 2-1 victory. Didn't anticipate that result. Happy for that result, but didn't really anticipate that kind of result. So can't really complain at all. Can't really complain. Big up yourself, Brentford. Big up Ivan Toney. Ivan Toney, however, should have been called up for the English team. He called up in the last round of games. He didn't get any playing time. I'm assuming maybe it's because of his training. I don't know. But he didn't get picked for that team to play last games. And he didn't get picked in the squad at all. Wilson got picked to the squad. Wilson, a penalty merchant. Wilson, except for I'm not Ivan Toney. I don't know what to tell you about that, man. I don't know what to tell you about Gareth Southgate, but that's for another day, for another conversation. Ivan Toney still hasn't called up for England. Is it possible that he could just scratch it and say, all right, I'm going to play for Jamaica? I don't know, because Ivan Toney has a massive ceiling. Now, at the beginning of the year, last year, I said that Ivan Toney was going to dwindle down and go back in the championship with Brentford. However, the man exceed my expectations by far. Without a shadow of a doubt, him exceed my expectations. And I do believe that Ivan Toney is going to be a massive, massive game player in the Premier League season in coming years. I do think that Manchester United should and will put in a bid for him. How much? I don't know. Depending on how many results this year. But he's going to be a massive player this year. Next game is Liverpool, Southampton. 3-1. I mean, it was a run-of-the-mill game for Liverpool, to be honest with you. Southampton didn't do much at all in this little highlights that I saw. But going out 3-1, comfortable win for Liverpool. I still do believe that they're gonna have a struggle this year, especially after the World Cup, because Liverpool players are fragile, and I do believe that when they come out of the World Cup, they're gonna have a few injuries to worry about. But good win for Liverpool. They're right behind us in the league right now. 1 point behind us. We have a game in hand, 2 games in hand, so we have one to play tomorrow. Who knows? But good win for Liverpool. Big up yourself. Tottenham. If football that Tottenham is playing is not acceptable to me, I can imagine how it's acceptable for the Tottenham fans, fam. That man is just complete shit for complete shit. They played well in the second half. The second half FC, I'm not gonna lie, because they did go back and press Leeds. Leeds went up 1-0. Tottenham equalized. 2-1. Tottenham equalized. Leeds go up 3-2. Tottenham equalized. And then boom, Tottenham score because they pushed and they pushed and they pushed. I do believe that it's the players that are pushing the team and not the coach. Straight. And the players are pushing the team, not the coach. The coaching does stop at half time. And the players go, that's all right. You could try and make it again second half because the coach is not making any sense. Just Spence not playing. He's not ready. Him pull over him plot alone. 2-3 plot better than anything Emerson Royal ever done in his life. And still can't get in the game. You know, makes sense. No sense. But hey, do you think that now? Diablo nothing. I hiccup on Diablo, you see? Go on talk there. And then Chelsea. Chelsea won one game in September. They won one game in October. And seeing that this is November and they're not playing any more games in November, Chelsea is going to play and not win one game in November. You know, your woman see her period in October. She see her period in September. But no, November come and she don't see her period. She might be pregnant. I see him, so I'll go and pregnant Chelsea right now. Chelsea just a breed party. They are deflating quickly. Deflating really bad. And I thought that with the new owners waving the money left, right, and center, it was going to be the same Chelsea. Probably not the results, but the same Chelsea shipping money all over the place. But it's bad for them. With the firing at time at Tuchel, it's just all the way down. All the way down, fam. I don't know what to tell you. I do know. Fuck your Chelsea. You're fuck your. You're fuck your. I love it for them. I am loving it. Manchester United has been struggling for the past 10 years. I love it for them. I love it for them. Don't talk. And then the real big one, Arsenal and Wolves. Arsenal won 2-0. I'm not going to lie. At first, at the first part of the season, I was saying Arteta is just a pick up cones. You just pick up cones with Pep. That's all him do. Put cones up, pick cones up, put cones down. That's all him do. But I'm going to take that back and seriously say to you that Arsenal are definitely going to be in amongst the top 3 this year and probably run a shot for winning the league. I can say that with a serious face. And I can say that regrettably because I don't like Arsenal fans. I don't like Arsenal fans. I don't like Arsenal. Nothing about Arsenal. I grew up watching Arsenal win and watch Manchester United win and just go back and forth. And I hate Arsenal. But they're playing well. So I have to give them props. Gabriel Jesus still hasn't scored. But you going to score as still hasn't scored. So the average is just a different situation. But he does well in connecting the team and playing well with the team. So I might give him that. But Odegaard with 2 goals today. Hey, listen, do your thing, you know. Do your thing. Mikel Arteta, I'm gonna give you your props, fam. I'm going to give you your props. You cut all of the bad worms out of the team and you're working with your ballers that respect you and know what you're doing and respect what you're doing. So I'm gonna say, yo, kudos to you, fam. Fucking kudos to you. And then the last team in a pack 6 is Manchester United, which plays tomorrow, 11:30. Don't forget, I'll be streaming that. Don't worry, I'll be here. I'll be here, fam. I'll be here. But yeah, brother, it's going to be one heck of a show. Can tell that right now. Fulham is not going to be an easy game. Last year, the year before when Fulham came up, they were very easy to win those 3 points. Even then, Manchester United struggled. At Kitten place name? Cottage or wherever one in London. It's going to be tough. It's going to be very tough. But we have to give it all. We have to go out and we have to fight. We have to run because we need these 3 points. We need every 3 points we can take at this point. And it's because it's the last game of the first part of the season. We need these 3 points, people. We need these 3 points. Big time. Big time. Big time. Big time. So let's go. Let's go get it. Let's go friggin' get it. Again, people, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe down there. So if you're brand new, best up yourself, best up others. Manaz.